Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video to do the Geekbenchmark 5 comparison between the iQOO 7 versus OnePlus Nord 2 device. So both phones did undergo the recent software update, and let's see how much the Geekbenchmark 5 scores we can actually compare between the Snapdragon 870 chipset versus the Dimensity 1200 chipset. And during this processor demonstration, I'm trying to use the high performance mode in the OnePlus Nord 2. Let me go to the battery. Let me turn on the high performance mode. As you can see friends, high performance mode is turned on in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. Not only that, even there is a RAM boost available in the settings if you try to go to the additional settings, as you can see. So I did try to turn on the RAM boost as well. So let me try to clear everything from the background. And in the iQOO 7 device, the only one thing which I did turn on is the external RAM capabilities. That's it. As you can see friends, 4 GB of RAM I did turn on during this processor demonstration. So apart from that, I did not turn on any kind of gaming enhancement boosters between both phones. So now let me open the Geekbenchmark 5 application, and both phones are 8 GB RAM variants and 8 GB plus 4 GB in this phone. Let's start the test at same time. Let's see how much the single core and how much the multi-core difference we can actually expect between both of these devices. So in this way, we'll be able to find out what's going on between these both devices. So just a couple of hours ago, friends, I did receive the software update in the iQOO 7 device. So meanwhile, I was testing everything in this iQOO 7 device, playing the games and doing some kind of benchmark things and everything, just to point out is there any kind of difference in terms of the temperatures in this phone or not. So let's see in the Geekbenchmark 5 score how much difference we can actually see between these two devices. So this is going to be a really interesting test. Snapdragon 870 versus Dimensity 1200. So in case if you want me to do any other comparisons between both devices, let me know in the comment section below. So definitely I'll be able to do those kind of tests in this iQOO 7 device and in the OnePlus Nord 2, comparing both phones side by side. So right now the iQOO 7 phone was able to finish setting the test faster. Let's see how much more time the OnePlus Nord 2 will take. And the iQOO 7 finished the test, as you can see friends, 1035. As you can see, 1035 in the iQOO 7 device, not bad in single core, and multi-core 3501. That's fantastic. In the OnePlus Nord 2, we got the single core about 857 and the multi-core 3395. As you can see friends, exactly single core difference between both phones. So not bad at all, as you can see when compared with both devices. So the highest was Snapdragon 870, which was able to score really high points in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So let's compare with the previous results. So what about the previous results and what is the highest in the multi-core? So highest I think in the multi-core 3398. As you can see, that is the highest so far, 3398. And in the iQOO 7 device, the highest I think 3500 in the multi-core, and single core 1037 is the highest, 35 sorry. And in the OnePlus Nord 2, I think the highest is today's, yes, 857. So these are the two high scores comparing between both phones. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.